Hello, my buddy. I am Luna, and welcome back to English with Luna. Today, I am not alone. I'm here with my friend, Segismundo.
¿Qué onda, banda? What's up, everybody? I'm Segismundo, the gorilla with the most dramatic name in Latin America.
Seriously? Your name sounds like you should be in a Shakespeare play, not talking about tacos.
To eat or not to eat? That is never the question in Mexico.
So, tell us, you went to Mexico, right? What was the first thing you ate?
Tacos. But not just any tacos. Tacos al pastor. Man, when I saw that meat spinning on the trompo with the pineapple on top, I thought, this is art.
Did you cry again?
Yes, the flavor hit me hard. Sweet, smoky, spicy. It was like the taco was saying, Órale, compa, welcome to Mexico.
That's so real. Mexican food talks to your soul.
But then I made the rookie mistake. I asked for salsa, and the taquero said, no pica, which means it's not spicy.
And?
Lies. All lies. I put it on my taco, took one bite, and suddenly I was sweating like I just ran a marathon. My tongue was burning. My eyes were crying. My soul left my body.
Classic. In Mexico, no pica actually means it's going to destroy you.
Exactly. But I couldn't stop. Every bite hurt. And every bite was perfect.
What about traditional food? Did you try tamales?
Yes. Tamales are like Christmas in your hands. Opening the corn husk felt like unwrapping a gift. And inside, soft masa with chicken and green salsa. Honestly, it felt like somebody's abuelita made it just for me.
That's the best part. Food in Mexico always feels personal, like family.
Totally. I also tried pozole. They gave me a giant bowl with hominy, pork, lettuce, radishes, oregano, and lime. And the señora told me, Mijo, eat, eat. Don't be shy.
Mijo means like my son. So even strangers treat you like family.
Yeah. And when I said I'm full, they just smiled and brought me another plate.
You never say no to Mexican food.
Exactly. That's the rule.
Did you get to try mole?
Yes. Mole blew my mind. It's not just food. It's history. Chocolate, chiles, spices, nuts, all together. The flavor is so complex, like sweet and spicy or dancing. Honestly, it felt like eating centuries of culture.
That's what I love about Mexican food. Every dish has a story. Okay, but let's be real. Did you go for street food late at night?
Of course. One night around 2 a.m., I went for quesadillas. I ordered one, and the lady asked me, ¿con queso o sin queso? Which means, with cheese or without cheese?
Oh no, the eternal quesadilla debate.
Exactly. I was like, wait, isn't the point of a quesadilla the queso? She just laughed and said, not in Mexico City, amigo.
That confuses everyone. In Mexico City, quesadillas can be without cheese. Everywhere else, cheese is the soul of the quesadilla.
Well, cheese or not, it was delicious. And eating in the street, with music blasting and people laughing, it was pure magic.
And what about drinks? Did you try aguas frescas?
Yes. Jamaica, horchata, tamarindo. Each one was refreshing after the fire of the salsa. And don't get me started on churros. Hot, crunchy, with chocolate sauce. I was in heaven.
Churros at night in Mexico are unbeatable.
What surprised me most wasn't just the food. It was the vibe. Every meal was like a little fiesta. Music, laughter, people saying provecho, which means enjoy your meal.
Yes, in Mexico, food is community. You don't just eat, you share.
And I felt that. Even as a gorilla, everyone welcomed me like family.
That's the beauty of it.
So, here's my advice. If you ever go to Mexico, arrive hungry, leave happier, And never trust when someone says no pica.
That's it for today, my buddies. Thank you so much for joining us on English with Luna. We had an amazing talk about Mexican food with my friend Segismundo. Remember, food is not just about eating. It's culture, it's history, it's connection. And in Mexico, every bite is a festa.